Hello children, I know you all were waiting for me now that Shweta teacher will come and you all are going to revise the sounds. So let us quickly start the revision. S, at, ip. Do with me. K, k, e, r, d, g, o, l, f, b, a, j, o, I, E, and then A. So let us begin with our fifth group. Next 6 sounds. I know with the help of these sounds you are going to become the most intelligent child on this entire earth.
Did you ever hear a bee buzz? A bee buzz, a bee buzz. Did you ever hear a bee buzz? I see the clouds moving, wah wah wah. I see the kites flying, wah wah wah. I see the trees bending, wah wah wah. The wind is blowing strong.
Wah, wah, wah. The sound is wah.
If you're strong and you know it, say ooh. If you're strong and you know it, say ooh. If you're strong and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're strong and you know it, say ooh. Try to expand round the village. Try to expand round the village. Try to expand round the village.
What is the sound?
Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo? Oh, 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 oh.
So let us revise again. What are the sounds of the group 5? Wah. Ooh. So let us quickly revise all the sounds again from group 1 to group 5. S, at, I, p, k, k, e, r, d, g, o, l, f, b, a, j, o, I, E, O, and the group 5. Z, wa, Congratulations! You are 5 groups older now, and you all are pro in phonics sounds. You all are the intelligent child, extremely beautiful. Bye-bye for now, and I'll be back with my 6th group. Bye!